Right then, this has just arrived. Unbelievable value for money, Santorini Black new Range Rover Sport D300 Dynamic SE with a sliding roof. We have bought and sold more of these cars than any other dealership in the UK for sure. Land Rover products are us here at Acklam Car Centre, and this on a 72 has got delivery mileage on it. And when I say unbelievable value for money, I can't give you the price on the video, but just check it out on the website. This is like for like the best buy in the UK for the car. Like I say, it's done delivery miles, 250 miles to be exact. It is a 300 3-litre diesel, new Land Rover engine, giving you everything. Probably the best looking four-wheel drive on the road at the moment, the Sport. Certainly one of the most in-demand ones. This is the all-new car, so fully redesigned from front to back. Completely different in every respect. So up to date with the technology and the engine. It's a great driver for sure. So if we look at this car from the front, the biggest thing for me on this car is the price for sure, but it's the fact that it's got the sunroof, which opens as well, which not many of these cars do, unless you got the higher spec, the autobiography, the first edition. That makes this car a real seller. It's all black, so triple black pack. Black badges, new design to the grille, a flatter front end, so you don't really see a bumper in this, it's all flat. The number plate's been lowered, so it was up here, now it's down here. So the design is fabulous, the dynamic styling on it is lovely. It has got the black packs, you've got black inserts into the bonnet, the wings, 21-inch wheels. It is a black car, but if it was, you'd have black roof and black mirrors. It's a fabulous, fabulous car for your family. And if you're looking for a Range Rover Sport, this will not hang around long. We have a choice, a few colours of these cars, but this one is just so well priced. It's beautiful to look at, and it gives you everything. So from the rear, you'll see this new design as well. Again, sort of got rid of the bumper element to these cars. It's all flat, but it looks stunning. The black pack giving it the boot finisher and the back badges. And of course, we've got the space in the boot. Air suspension on these, you've got electric seat folds. You can switch that in the right-hand side of the car here. Still got the presentation box in place. As new condition, the car was only registered a short time ago, so it is absolutely a brand new. You'll see these new LED lights, which sweep with the indicators. And then this car's got a black interior. Keyless entry, so like the old Velas, they've taken that lovely styling feature where the door handles fold in flush, and you get this wonderful interior. Now look at this door card. You'll see this Meridian speaker now encased into the door. All these dark chrome metal finishes throughout. You've got electric rear seats, so you'll see you can part electrically do the backs of the seats. Heated rear seats, a warm ambient lighting throughout the car, which is very, very modern for sure. And in the doors, you'll see we've got blind spot assist, part of the adaptive cruise control you get on these cars now, with heated steering wheel, with heated seats, with the new Pivi Pro interface. Look at the inside of this. If you've never seen one, most people haven't. We're very, very privileged here to be surrounded by the most prestigious cars you can buy in the world. We have some unbelievable cars, and we see these cars every day, but you haven't seen one. The build quality and the stance of these cars are absolutely outstanding. It's a 300 brake horsepower vehicle. It drives so well. Honestly, when you get in one, you don't want to get out. So jumping in, the cockpit is outstanding. Now, we do have the sliding roof, you'll see, with powered blind, which is a lovely, lovely feature on this car. And then on the steering wheel, again, the whole thing is redesigned inside. We've got this new steering wheel, again, following that dark chrome around there. Heated steering wheel, adaptive cruise, lane departure, full switchable digital interface behind my steering wheel. All very, very easy to use. You can change your display, which I'll show you. It's just so easy. Voice control, which is great in these cars as well. Super updated from the last one. Just switchable off the steering wheel there. Your paddle shifters. And then Pivi Pro, which is this big screen to the center of the dash. Navigation, wireless smartphone interface, which in these cars is superb. Obviously your four-wheel drive and terrain modes and all these different driving things that you can play around with, because the car is off-road and four-wheel drive for sure. And then we've got the camera system, so short shift gearbox down here giving us this real crystal clear camera, reversing, top view, 3D camera. It is out of this world, this car. And you can see it even follows the glass roof and things, our showroom surroundings there, off-road and on-road cameras. Down here you'll see these two new twisters, so they're both driver and passenger related. If I push it, I get my fan speed. If I pull it, sorry, the other way around, if I push it, I get my seat. If I pull it, I get my fan speed. And then if you let it go back, you get your climate control where you can just change the actual temperature in the car. Stunning things. Here's my drive modes down here. Pop that little jog up and you can twist it into your snow mode and your off-road modes, dynamic mode, keyless start. Stunning car. 2 keys for this particular car as well. They don't all come with 2, by the way. We have 2 for this car. Wonderful, wonderful car with 250 miles on the clock. On the website now. The best buy in the UK with a sliding sunroof. D300, Dynamic SE, wonderful in Santorini black. My number's on the screen. My name's Richard. Use it. Call me about this car. Thanks for watching.